Okay, part two. Didn't miss a beat. Let's try to get her interested in this. Maybe I will come back here. I can also give you a view inside. Look what you got in here. Look. Look. You've got toys in there. She could care less, apparently. Look, come on. You can dig in here. You see this? Look. You can dig in here. Okay, well, she got her chicken out. And that's all she seems to care about. Oh, maybe. Oh, let's see. She's got some other stuff in there. She knows some other stuff is in there. There we go.